is a beautiful country located in Central Europe. It is known for its stunning landscapes, picturesque cities, and high quality of life. If you're planning to explore Switzerland, here are some popular destinations and activities to consider. Start your journey in Switzerland's largest city, Zurich. Explore the Old Town, Altstadt, visit the Grossmünster Church, enjoy the views from Lindenhof Hill, and stroll along the banks of Lake Zurich. 2. Geneva. Located on the western side of Switzerland, Geneva is known for its international diplomacy and stunning location on Lake Geneva. Visit the Jet d'Eau, stroll through the Old Town, and explore the many museums and art galleries. Nestled amidst the Swiss Alps, Lucerne is a picturesque city with a beautiful lake and a well-preserved medieval old town. Take a walk across the iconic Chapel Bridge, visit the Lion Monument, and enjoy the stunning views from Mount Pilatus or Mount Rigi. 4. Interlaken. If you're seeking adventure, Interlaken is a must-visit destination. It's situated between two stunning lakes and surrounded by mountains. Try activities like paragliding, skydiving, or hiking in the nearby Jungfrau region. Famous for the Matterhorn, one of the world's most iconic mountains, Zermatt is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Experience skiing or snowboarding in the winter, and enjoy hiking or mountain biking in the summer. 6. Bern. Switzerland's capital, Bern, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the medieval Old Town with its well-preserved architecture, visit the Bern Bear Park, and take in the panoramic views from the Rose Garden. Situated on the shores of Lake Geneva, Lausanne is known for its vibrant cultural scene and Olympic heritage. Visit the Olympic Museum, explore the charming Old Town, and enjoy the beautiful lake views. 8. Swiss National Park. For nature lovers, a visit to the Swiss National Park is a must. Located in the Alps, it offers pristine landscapes, hiking trails, and the opportunity to spot wildlife such as ibex, chamois, and eagles. Remember, Switzerland's efficient public transportation system makes it easy to travel between cities and explore the country. Whether you're interested in natural beauty, cultural experiences, outdoor adventures, or indulging in Swiss cuisine, Switzerland has something for everyone. This lakeside town is famous for its annual jazz festival and its beautiful promenade along Lake Geneva. Visit Chillon Castle, explore the Lavaux vineyards, and enjoy the scenic train ride on the Golden Pass line. 10. St. Moritz, a renowned luxury alpine resort. St. Moritz offers world-class skiing, upscale shopping, and a glamorous atmosphere. Experience the famous Cresta Run, take a horse-drawn carriage ride, or relax in one of the luxurious spas.